how to remove your Wix website on Google or any search engine. To do it, you want to go to your Wix dashboard right here. And then after you come to your Wix dashboard, you want to go to the search bar at the top of your screen and then search for SEO settings. And right here on SEO settings, you want to click on it. And then right here on the SEO settings, on the set site preference at the bottom, you want to make sure to turn off this one on let search engines index your site. You want to turn this off and choose on hide site, or you can choose to hide specific pages instead. And this way, your website will not be on Google search or any other engine. But keep in mind that the people can still visit your website when they have the link to your website. And it may take a few times to make your website completely gone on the search engine. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.